Want to build real, noticeable muscle in just 4 weeks? Most people think you need a gym membership, expensive equipment, or hours of training, but that's the lie. The truth is, your own body is the most powerful tool you have, and with just 5 key exercises, you can trigger serious growth in less time than you think. Stay with me, because the final exercise might be the one you've been missing your whole life. Exercise 1, push-ups. One of the most effective bodyweight exercises for upper body strength is also one of the most underrated, the push-up. It's simple, accessible, and incredibly powerful. Research shows that push-ups activate nearly the same muscle groups as the bench press, firing up your chest, shoulders, triceps, and even your core. But here's what most people ignore. Form matters more than reps. You can do 40 sloppy push-ups, or you can do 10 perfect ones that actually grow your chest and build real strength. Let's start with the basics. Hand placement is everything. Position your hands just slightly wider than shoulder width. As you lower yourself down, keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle and brace your core tight. And the golden rule, go all the way down, chest to the floor. No half reps, no shortcuts. That full range of motion is what separates people who think they're training their chest from people who actually transform it. For solid gains, aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 slow, controlled reps, 3 to 4 times a week. If you struggle with full push-ups, don't worry. Start with incline push-ups using a bench, chair, or countertop. This reduces the difficulty while helping you build strength and master proper form. As you get stronger, level up. Try raising your feet to increase resistance, or use deficit push-ups to deepen your range of motion for an even stronger contraction. And now for the part you've been waiting for, the bonus variation that will take your chest to a new level. Bonus push-up variation, archer push-ups. Shift your weight to one side as you bend that arm while keeping the other arm straighter, almost like a bow and arrow. This variation places more load on one side of your chest, helping you build unilateral strength and pushing you closer to one-arm push-up territory. It's an incredible chest builder that instantly increases difficulty without needing any equipment. Now let's move from upper body to lower body. You might be surprised to learn that there's an exercise that challenges your legs, balance, and coordination even more efficiently than squats. Lunges. This powerhouse move is your leg's new best friend. Exercise 2, lunges. Lunges develop strength, stability, and mobility all at once, making them a game changer for athletes, lifters, and beginners alike. Ready to break down how lunges can transform your lower body strength? Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a single workout. Now let's jump in.
Lunges primarily target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core for stability. On top of that, they activate smaller stabilizing muscles that are often neglected in typical leg routines. Proper form is essential. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees form roughly 90-degree angles. Keep your chest lifted, core tight, and make sure your front knee stays aligned with your ankle. Avoid leaning forward. Push through your front heel to rise back to standing, then switch to the other leg. Wondering how many lunges are ideal for real results? Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg, 3 to 4 times per week. Beginners should stick with bodyweight lunges, while those seeking a greater challenge can add dumbbells or explore variations such as reverse lunges, walking lunges, or Bulgarian split squats. Remember, control and balance matter more than speed. Perfect form is what drives growth. Stay consistent, and your legs and glutes will thank you with every step. Did you know there's an exercise that engages your abs even more effectively than crunches? Enter the plank. At first glance, it seems simple, but its magic lies in sustained tension. Your core works overtime to keep you stable, making planks a surprisingly powerful muscle-building tool. Studies show they activate more core muscles than crunches or sit-ups. And here's the kicker, planks aren't just for your abs, they sneak in a full body workout too. While holding the position, your shoulders, chest, and glutes are all engaged, transforming it into a complete total body exercise. Form is everything. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels, no sagging hips or raised glutes. Keep your core tight, maintain perfect alignment, and hold steady. It may sound easy, but proper posture is where the real challenge lies. how long should you hold a plank to see results? Beginners can start with 20 to 30 seconds per set, aiming for 3 sets per session. Try incorporating them 3 to 4 times per week. As your strength increases, gradually work up to 60 to 90 seconds. Remember, it's all about time under tension. The longer you maintain perfect form, the more your muscles are forced to work and the better your results. That burning sensation? That's progress in action. Embrace it. Finally, let's talk about an exercise that sculpts and strengthens your glutes even more effectively than squats: the glute bridge. Simple, but incredibly effective. This move delivers serious results for building a strong, lifted posterior.
This powerhouse move targets your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back, while also engaging your core for added stability. It's an essential addition to any routine for building a strong posterior chain, improving posture, and even easing lower back discomfort. The best part? It's beginner-friendly and requires absolutely no equipment. Proper form is everything. Start by lying flat on your back with your knees bent and feet planted on the floor hip-width apart. Keep your arms at your sides with palms facing down. Press firmly through your heels, squeeze your glutes, and lift your hips toward the ceiling until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Pause at the top, then slowly lower back down. No shortcuts here. The secret is fully activating your glutes throughout the movement. Wondering how many glute bridges you should aim for? Begin with 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, 3 to 4 times per week. As your strength grows, increase the challenge by adding weight, like a dumbbell or barbell across your hips. For an even bigger burn, try single-leg glute bridges to really engage each glute individually. Stay consistent, embrace the burn, and your lower body will transform before your eyes. Looking for a move that torches calories, builds muscle, and boosts endurance all at once? Meet the burpee, the ultimate full-body exercise. Burpees combine strength, cardio, and explosive power into one dynamic movement. They recruit nearly every major muscle group: chest, shoulders, arms, core, glutes, quads, and hamstrings, while also spiking your heart rate, making them incredible for cardiovascular fitness and fat loss. No wonder athletes and fitness pros swear by them. To perform a burpee, start standing with feet shoulder-width apart, drop into a squat and place your hands on the floor, then kick your feet back into a plank position, keeping your core tight and body straight. Perform a push-up, then jump your feet back towards your hands. Explode upward into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. That's 1 full rep. Burpees are challenging, but the payoff is huge. If you're new, start with 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps, 3 to 4 times per week. As your endurance and strength improve, push yourself to complete as many reps as possible within a set time, like 30 seconds or a full minute. Stick with it, and burpees will leave you feeling stronger, fitter, and full of energy. Now that you've mastered these 5 essential exercises, let's combine them into a simple yet highly effective weekly workout plan. This routine targets all major muscle groups, helping you build strength, burn fat, and boost overall fitness in just 3 to 4 sessions per week. Begin with a 5-minute warm-up to prepare your body. Include dynamic stretches such as arm circles, leg swings, and bodyweight squats. Follow up with light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks, to elevate your heart rate and activate your muscles. For the workout itself, start with lunges, performing 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Next, move into planks, holding for 30 to 60 seconds. For an extra challenge, try side planks to engage your core even more. Follow with push-ups, aiming for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. If standard push-ups are too difficult, modify with incline push-ups on a stable surface. Transition to glute bridges, performing 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps to strengthen your glutes and hamstrings. Finally, finish strong with burpees, 3 sets of 6 to 8 reps to get your heart racing and activate your entire body. Rest for 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Stick to this routine 3 to 4 times per week, allowing at least 1 rest day between sessions for recovery and muscle growth. Always prioritize form. It's better to perform fewer reps correctly than to rush through with poor alignment. Stay committed, and this plan will have you achieving your fitness goals faster than you think. That's it. Follow this routine consistently, and you'll be building strength, burning fat, and feeling your best in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.